Hello guys, welcome to my channel Information Up. If you first time visit my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more information about 10th class. All of you having so many doubt. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Uh, okay friends, all are fearing for the board exam, 10th board exam 2022. Uh, uh, in previous years 10th class batches should be their exam should be cancelled and they are enjoyed and they are not studied still very well, and this time 2022 there will be board exam will be confirmed there. So how can you prepare and how can you start your preparation now? uh, from the starting of the beginning of this academic year, you shouldn't read anything and you shouldn't write anything and you shouldn't learn something uh, also. So now I can tell you how to study in less time to get 10 by 10 in 10th class and 10 GPA in 10th class, and I also share my strategy in my 10th class and how can I get 10 by 10 in 10th class. I will share on this session, so please wait for still and I will give the some tips how to get 10 by 10 in 10th class, and how to overcome maths and physics, chemistry, social and other languages also. Okay friends, now topic is that how is in 10 my experience. I should share my experience to you and how to get 10 by 10 in 10th class 2022. So much are waiting for the 10th class 22. This is our first step to get into your career, and who cannot think about their career, they shouldn't read and write or they can do nothing. Who fear for their future, they should write, read, and they can plan their own self and they can self motivated and they can work for their plan, and also they also hard work to get 10 by 10 in board exams to get seat in polyset or diploma, if else they are going to diploma or other sector. Who are triple IT, there are so many triple ITs are there after the 10th class. Who get 10 by 10 they get triple IT seat, and also there are so many entrance exam to get into the first year. Okay friends, now um, what the most student do in corona time is they are enjoying passing. They don't know how to read, they don't know how to write, and they don't know how to plan, they don't know how to strategy to get 10 by 10. But now I can say something to you to improve now onwards. Okay na friends, let's go into the video. Let's going into the video. Yes, 10th class good impression. See, don't believe anyone. Okay friend, don't believe anyone. Even if you believe me, then do like me. If you not believe me, don't do like me. Okay friends, if you not believe, please switch off my video and go to another channel. Okay friends, if you believe me, please do this. You can confirmly get 10 by 10 in board exams, in other exam also. Okay friends, don't believe anyone means don't believe anyone means suppose you have friends, okay, close friends, and all they share but they don't share their study plan. Because of they share their study plan, they so you can be first, they can be last, so they don't share study plans. So everybody have study plan. I will study from 4 morning 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, 5 to 6 o'clock, and somebody have evening 6 to 10 o'clock, and some are in school only, some are in other places, so they don't share their study plans and strategies. Okay friends, so you also don't share your strategies to your friends. Be calm in your study plan. Okay friends, and don't listen, I am studying from morning 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock but I don't get result. Some rumors are coming from your friends, don't follow that. You can waste definitely your time, so please don't follow other suggestions. Means I will give, don't follow means your teacher given you to follow the steps, they you can follow, but not some fellows are is there. I will say first only you can listen my words, then you can watch my video. Less than uh, uh, rather than you can go to other channel and listen. There are thousands of videos how to get 10 by 10 in board exams. Okay friends, my first our topic is don't believe anyone. So don't believe anyone. Next is trust yourself and plan yourself. Means you believe in yourself and take one plan. One day you calm inside your Sunday, please you do bath and sit in morning place in the slab, and in the building or anywhere you can sit, take pen and book and plan your study. Calm, you can plan your study, how to study, how many lessons should I study in day, what is my task and what is my lessons and what is my uh, aim to today, how many lessons I should read and how many lessons I should practice and how many lessons I do test. Okay friends, trust, first of all trust your way, believe in yourself, then you can get definitely 10 by 10, rather than listening the other words, wasting listening of other word wasting. That time you can read something in your lessons, then you can get knowledge, no? So please do that is. Don't say your strategy to your friend. Yes, don't say your strategy to your friend. It is definitely, if there are two close friends, they two are planning to study within you, but they don't study within you. They only upside means up they like to study you, but they going to home, they study secretly rather than you, then you are loose. So please don't follow that like friends. Okay friends, and next thing is plan your work and work for your plan. This is very important friends. See, plan your work for plan ante see plan your work. Suppose today Sunday I want to do maths first lesson and first exercise for second exercise, total chapter 1 today I want to learn, and science first chapter and all subject first chapter I want to learn in Sunday. Plan your in notebook or in paper and do execute it. Okay friends, if you execute that, you can do very well in examinations. If you are sitting of thinking how can I write my exams and how can I read my exams, you are thinking about that, you can waste of time, not reading and not writing, and the day goes passing and you are still nothing to write in examination. See, thinking about the exam is impossible, but you reading the textbook is possible. So thinking tomorrow's exam is fear is removed, then you read somewhat you like to read, then you read, it is come to your examination, so you can get 10 marks now. But you next time you read some concentration, then you can get 15 marks, and next time you get read, you can get 20 out of 20. So rather than thinking, you can write to study now. Okay friends, this is very important to friends. Don't think about the exams, think about your studies, how can I write and how can I read. Okay friends, next one is do what you want to do. Yes, do what you want to do means uh, some fellow have more energy, some fellow have less energy. First of all, you think about your energy, then you can step into how to read and how to write. First, your energy is 1 hour is more concentration, read for 50 hours, 50 minutes, and 10 minutes is go to for rest. Okay friends, this is common thing is all a big entrance exam means UPSC, this like competitive exam also they'll do follow this only, read for 50 minutes and 10 minutes for break. This is only by, so please do what you do. You can read first lesson, but you are poor in studies, please read for sentence by sentence. You can get definitely for 1 or 2 days practice. If you are thinking about I don't get it and I don't want to read, rather than thinking, you do it first, then you can get it definitely. I really follow that. Rather than thinking I do it, rather than thinking I do it, then It is a positive attitude to do everything. Okay friend, next thing is, yes, wasting timing on, you are wasting so much time. Everybody have 24 hours in our day. Even the Mukesh Ambani also having 24 days. Sachin Tendulkar also 24 days. Abdul Kalam also having 24 days. Swami Vivekananda have 24 hours. Why you are wasting time? They don't waste time because your phone is your distractive and your mental cleaner. So please don't use phones, but use phones because of YouTube online classes you use. But cut off your notifications of Instagram. Here you can see that Instagram and WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, these all are your distractive modes. They can distract you. If you someone can one notification, then you can open Instagram and you can click on the reels, and you can passing your time. Then your 1 hour will be waste, your data waste, your time waste, your investment waste, and your AB is waste, your 10 by 10 by goal is waste, your future is waste. See, 1 hour you are seeing in Instagram, rather than you read for 1 hour for chapter, you can get it somewhat. You not understand, you get it something also. No, see, Instagram, did you pay your money? Did they pay money to you? No. So please don't use social media for entertainment. Read now. One thing I want to say that 20 years you do hard work, then 40 years you enjoy. Okay friends, 20 years hard work, 40 years enjoy. See, which is the more lifespan? 40 years is more lifespan. If you hard work 20 years, 40 years is enjoy. Okay friends, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube is best. But where YouTube is best for online classes, search for YouTube. YouTube is best for online classes, but not rather than you seeing the jokes or funny videos, and time wasting videos are not useful for you. Please uninstall all social media. If you uninstall now, if you not sacrifice this, you don't sacrifice, and you never miss this. If you sacrifice this and you can 10 by 10, then you can install and enjoy the, you can keep your post. I get 10 by 10. See, your sacrifice are never be lose you. So please sacrifice something in your life, then you can get more than you can give. Sacrifice you can get. So please don't waste time on social media. The phone only you distract, and you cannot start to study. If you start studying, some notification will be came to your phone, and you are pick up the phone and doing wasting time on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and all chatting. These are waste friends. Please wake up your minds and start your studying first. Then only you can get it, and you can read, and you can get 10 by 10 in board. Okay friends, next what we said means. Okay friends, now I want to share something my strategy. These are some introduction how to mingle with social media, and how to remove bad impressions and bad voices from the friends. And don't nervous. If you get nervous, you can don't get 10 by 10. If you get nervous, see on YouTube how to uh, uh, how to get. Sorry friends, your wish. If you get nervous, you go to YouTube and see what how to overcome nervous in YouTube. There are hundreds of videos on YouTube, you can see that. Okay friends, I definitely think you get one time also you get nervous. Okay friends, don't nervous, be motivated and see motivated videos. There are hundreds of motivated videos in there in YouTube. Okay friends, next I want to, and now coming the tips of my strategies, how can I read and how can I write. Okay friends, first of all is, first uh, I can plan for 1 week. I can plan for 1 week. That is, first day I can read in the evening. College is over, online class is over, the evening, the day I will start for first lesson. of all subjects. First lesson all subject giving the 30 minutes. Only I can give 30 minutes to the all subjects. There are 7 subjects, 7 into 30. They can nearly take 2.5 hours. Only 2.5 hours. I will start from 8 and end to 10 o'clock. And going to bed for 10 o'clock. This is my strategy. You can read like this and wake up on the early morning 5 o'clock and read for 2 hours. What you should read means today sir will be tell you no lesson, don't read that one, read another lesson. Means sir will be tell second lesson, you can read third lesson, because of you can know third lesson is something, and when the sir will start third lesson you can get answered and you know this is like this come, okay. Then read in morning third lesson, evening your personal, and sir will be tell no this lesson, not even the last lesson. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Finally your motivation, your plan, your strategy will work and you can get 10 by 10 in 10th class. Okay now friends, and so many are thinking 10 by 10, 10 by 10, 10 by 10, 10 by 10, but don't, all videos are telling how to get 10 by 10, but uh, your but you go to reality, there are full of syllabus and and you cannot get the maths problem, you can demotivated, then you can remove the maths and you can go to physics, then the physics question will be concept will be not understand, then you remove chemistry, go. So see if you get 10 by 10, how to get 10 by 10, please do hard work in your subject, not to see videos in YouTube to get 10 by 10. Okay, thank you for your patience.